Hello students, today we will discuss about solar eclipse and their types. When the moon is between the sun and the earth, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. At such a time, these are three celestial objects, the sun, the moon and the earth, are on the same plane and fall in one line, straight line. Hence, the place on the earth's surface where the moon's shadow falls experiences solar eclipse. This part of the earth's surface can experiences solar eclipse. The shadow is of two types. The central portion of the shadow is darker. This is the central portion of the shadow is darker and periphery is light. This is a dark shadow known as umbra, and this is a light shadow known as a penumbra. In the area of dark shadow on the earth, the sun becomes completely invisible. From this area on earth's surface, sun becomes completely invisible. This condition is known as a total solar eclipse. However, during the same period, at the places where the shadow is lighter, the sun disk appeared as a partially covered. This condition is described as a partial solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse is seen in a very limited region of the earth. The maximum duration of a total solar eclipse is 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Let us try this activity. Just consider we are observer from the earth's surface. On new moon day, the sun, the moon and the earth falls on the same plane and are in same line. We can observe from earth's surface total solar eclipse or partial solar eclipse. Just observe this situation. The sun's disk partially covered by the moon's shadow. This condition is described as a partial solar eclipse, and when the sun's disk is totally invisible, this condition is known as a total solar eclipse. Again we can see partially covered sun disk. Look at this. This condition is described as a partial solar eclipse. Sometimes the moon is in apogee positions. This means it is at furthest from the earth. As a result, the deep shadow of the moon is cast in space and does not reach the earth. From a very small region of the earth, only an illuminated edge of the sun disk is seen in the form of a ring. This is called annular solar eclipse. Annular solar eclipse is a rare phenomenon.